1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, real deal Z28. It has the X33 marking on the cowl tag, so that's your special performance equipment Z28 designation. Also a D80 car, so it would have the air spoiler equipment. A couple other interesting ones on this car I'll get to in just a bit. First, let's take a peek at the chrome on the bumper. Of course, the Z28 grille, and down below you can see that chin spoiler. Tuxedo black, 10 is the paint code. And here's one of the interesting ones. 713 is the trim, so this would have originally been black houndstooth, which you can take a peek in there. It is the houndstooth interior, as well as a fold down rear seat. So you Camaro experts out there, tell me how many of these 69s would have came with that fold down rear seat. Do not see too many of those. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the slotted rally wheels. Wheel covers, Chevrolet center caps. 350 power underneath the hood now, power steering, power brakes. It is a numbers matching 4-speed in the car yet. You're going to be able to see that stamping in the still pictures. And as you can see, this paint shows extremely nice. It's a head turner, no doubt about that. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will bring home some trophies. Center console. Gauge cluster also has a tilt column in it. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. You can see those panels nice and straight. That black paint is laid on there beautifully. Dual exhaust, Flowmasters, headers. Sounds good, and we're going to fire it up so you can hear it run. Just give me a bit. Will come with a car cover. I'll throw that back in the trunk. Speaking of the trunk, you'll be able to see the trunk pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com with over 100 other pictures of this car online. If you like Camaros, no matter what generation, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. As you can see up and down this driver's side, that paint looks like it's wet. Nice reflection in it. Let's take a look at this interior. Alright, first off, door panels looking good. That houndstooth interior, this car has obviously been restored. Great looking, a late 60s muscle car. And again, tilt column. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Heater does work, stereo is in op, and he noted the brakes were 90% in the front, 60% in the rear. All right, let's fire it up. Take a peek at the top of the dash. That looks good, good sounding car. Headliner looking good. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Sounds pretty healthy. All right, let's slip up to the front. Take a quick peek at this engine bay. And we'll get Jason to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, so cowl induction hood propped open. The springs won't quite hold it as far open as I wanted, so I'm gonna prop right in there just so you're aware of that. And engine bay, aluminum radiator. Looks like a little newer master cylinder up here. You can see these headers, like Hedman headers down there. And power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock 4-barrel. There is a battery disconnect when it's in between drives or in storage. They sounded 350. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 real deal. And remember, if you know anything about those fold down rear seat in a 69 Camaro, put it down in the comments. Is that a rare option? I just don't see a lot of them. Houndstooth interior, call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro in black with white stripes, 4 on the floor manual transmission. Great running car. You got the houndstooth design on the seats, bucket seats. Nice looking interior and exterior. Our oil pressure showing 60 psi. The temperature a quarter of the way up. The battery right in the middle of the gauge, and the fuel is showing a quarter of a tank. Those are all on the factory gauges down below on the center console. Second gear for the traffic circle. I'm getting a fuel light flashing at me on the corner, but with a quarter of a tank, we're doing fine on fuel. What a great running, great sounding car. Our tachometer's working, that's on the right side here. Speedometer showing 50 miles an hour. That may read a little high. Right in the middle of the clock. Factory horn works. One of the most iconic Chevrolets, the 69 Camaro, and this, the performance version, the style originally set up for racing reasons. You do a little history. A very nice 69 Chevy Camaro. And we were just in third there for that traffic circle, and it didn't care. There's enough torque. You could just give her gas in third, and it's perfectly happy. Very nice running car. The blower motor works. No wipers work. Take a look at all the pictures of this Camaro at UniqueClassicCars.com.